I'm your coaches no. Say you win you take that credit no say yeah near the two obisu and our players sometime.
Yeah, oh yes sir.
Never. I'm talking in the general.
Okay.
What do I say?
Yeah.
The general no is na yefa percentage na maker. Because me lose so much. Me can say because we don't have striker, we don't have player. What do I say? But what to me the same play team, what to me call friends bibi eniwa ko wini. Na u ba kumasi u so see the players ni good. The mu ko win that time no me good, I don't me good. That kind of the things no, it's me happy on the coaches because the pressure is too much. Pressure has at that level, that standard, at that level, no, pressure is part of the motivation. Criticize, no, paper, you pop off your back, what my guy say, we team no there, one year there, and all criticize you, but don't mean catch them direct.
Yeah.
What I say, that kind of the pressure, no, but the direction there, and yes, sir, the pressure never back, no, I'm going, I win the World Cup. I play the second position. Now, me pese me ye bibi na obi nye bida in France.
Yeah.
Ebetima ba say something beba. It is England team too. Thomas me lady England team. Ako baby
England team no win saying.
England team no I'll compare with a one league club here to say a lot of lions.
England team nice out of line.
And no better amount. Na etina. No watching.
Now what's out of line so coach na Juma.
Juma.
Bashir Rayford.
My friend.
Yeah, we
Juma.
Inti na anopo omo ka obi ka chem sa ene omo kofa Ouattara.
Timbe.
Heart of Lions.
Omo kofa wana.
Coach Ouattara.
Ouattara does. Aboubakar Ouattara.
There be your team any me here. And I also seen Heart of Lions team.
Obi an su team bia. David. Obi an su team bia. What do I say? But minti yebo. So no bo me amande say. Mini ni ajeka sa yesterday.
No, ni Moscow. I'm sure Juma Baba to Ghana this year. Samate's coach no wajai. Any ajai.
What code?
Ai Adriana coach no bro ni no. Aristica wajai. Aye.
Okay.
And has susu didi susu woni na jai. This that team say 4 yi. And I win. Some obodu su brekum Chelsea. Su coach no Kotoko su coach ni o.
Na kwa me wajai some obodu. Na kwa me why you?
Some obodu I be ko Adriana. Nti no Adriana for so mo ba wo be ko.
Ndiye be.
Adriana.
Na usi some obodu ko.
Da bi na so mo di kan ba wo ha.
Some obodu ko. Na wo be say me ko. You go ahead.
Na some una some text dia obe.
Me.
Aye.
Obi antimi kase osuche obi. Nyakubo kwan na osuche obi about the club bia there or division 1 or division 2 so that standard to getting at that level. Everything depends on the objective. Blaster mukofa keros abano.
Aye.
Wuti hanu se kan no mobeka se keros on bagana. Anantiza.
Yeah.
But the project no. You follow. Because the mistakes that sometimes here you know, if you don't have any projects to go inside more, what I say, the project no so free chairman ho. No the vision ba. To say Max TV the owner no or journalist maybe at our vision to do that.
Sure.
When you have the vision, you need the people who have the level to take your vision to bring it in action. I don't tell you, America.
Matthias Epa.
Does me who the Malcolm Mams is mean Koya scanning your name the way you start. That's what I say. And every club the internal who approach you elected the board chairman or the vision. No wafa nana wafa we No, say okay, my vision here. Moon transform vision in action. Nya bibi. But we need that vision no. They did my Arsenal or more vision.
Sure.
Internal Tita or but Anka Arsenal or more vision. I don't think Ateta is there again.
And if say vision Ben has for each why OG adwuma no say obey no.
No, sen uni uyirjai awaria. En tanfa sa nneɛma no ɛba abɔnten.
Oh,
Because your name etina maybe ubete ni tenua ubefa.
as ma me be say there's a me nya wetiri.
Miba will reply.
Martin.
The reply is simple. Ufa ewiase po apart from America sometime. Ufa ewiase head of state ni nyina. Omo yiri no omo ye baby a ye be kasa omo ye second hand. Obi na aware no na agya no wi akofa. No wa pia be ma no akoye head of state. Sisi a opesen yen kasa ma catch us say ba. As a same. Let's out because me pese me jaiti ma ni me kan omo asem bi what you say sisi a as of vision me ba as of vision the vision of as of the first time I talked to Toby is in Douala only Dachi is shy.
Oh, Cameroon
Yeah, be create aka is a African Club Association.
Wow.
And that means, you know, the Wydad is the detention Champions League. And we are part of the team. Me represent me be translate. Now me say me didn't come about Ghana, Nyama. When the Tobe is talking about the vision of Asofok.
Wow.
But Tobe is not Tobe who has come to be CEO. And yet Tobe no be a coach. And yet Tobe no be accountant. The vision no da or person for House of Folk to the standard level like Ali, like Zamalek, like Wydad Raja, all these people around the area.
Yeah.
When you have the vision, now you need the people who can come to carry that vision to go forward. That vision not attractive. That's just attractive because that vision interest say, okay, me or Tuya, Aroras can't exist again. What I say? Because Aroras you pay results. You can win, you can yes, Bimpo Anini, I change place no more premier. Oh, say far Aroras say as a transition team.
It should be kids.
What I say? The higher age of all and 19 years. Because playing on 18 years is professional. The 19 years neighbor. Papa no too channel. The way me suffer June, July, August 2025. What mean change? We don't have any base. Everything is spoiled. We are looking for the players.
Wow.
If it's that they me ba sembe shwe Aroras na me yem sembe shwe menyabi or the first person who can say shwe akwa ba ku no e say trick is ni nim ni no si shwe oh transitions bina ye nya say see Aroras ye asofo junior team
I say nkura
junior team.
But they are playing in the league, and like you're saying, so results.
You know how many teams in Europe, in France, in Germany who are playing in the league? Bayern Munich have a Bayern number
Bayern
2.
2, yeah.
I don't know, you can ask for 2. But when he win that competition, he didn't go anywhere, but he stayed there. She said, we need our league now. The other second promotion, they are all promotion. Because you can't promote the same two teams at another level. As I say,
yeah.
In that vision, now you prepare. 80% of the players of House of Folk can come from the Aroras on the 17. It's just who starting recruitment now. That's why we need sporting director. We need some people say technical director or director of football. It's because the grassroots is taking the boys as coming to starting there. When we are talking about the philosophy, some people think say philosophy never passes. No. There is philosophy for the team, like Bayern Munich have his philosophy. We are taking the young players from Germany to come. We call Bayern, we see around 300 kilometers from the Munchen. Krobia never home near Koskauto.
Wow.
That's the philosophy. So I say, your philosophy is there. Play team bia never Accra region. Ye koko Koskauto mu young players no. Adi abetu ye under 17 and now you under 18. That's the philosophy. Philosophy near passes your philosophy of play. Philosophy of play. No, I don't know. Me, I don't understand. I just say that's the philosophy. Oba when you say the Asante Kotoko count down in the officer nanti so
yeah
unfa actually as a full collar Kotoko collar or that media collar you respecting him I don't think they make
that's say pa
and you say see philosophy fatim bi akoha before the match na san eba park always anyama players na ebre as I say wọ́n sẹ́ àbúròtí obi wọ̀ hɔ a ɔhyɛ goal no ɔkesi ne badge no but that's the philosophy to understand this team we have some education to respect.
Wow.
I don't want to be like that.
Mati ase pa na mpacho aso folk uye adwuma wɔ hɔ no na amafo interfere wɔ adwuma
mu deɛ mpɛ sɛ wɔn ti ase no obi a freedom baby who freedom is stopping obi di asusu start
ntina wo dey timi stop o baby na wo ha so mu timi stop freedom
no me freedom me say me obi a stop me freedom but ade bi o ho a mo fo nyanti ase enye interfere
okay
ufi say Fiorenzo Perez ana Laporta ana Said Nasiri for Wydad ana ufa
Moise
Katumbi of Mazembe ufa Tango for Vita Club ufa Lagja for Berkane wafa ujuma uko bo match you don't know anything about. Are you sure? That's the problem. So only board chairman didn't come up. No, it's part of the process.
About chairman Ouattara player wey dey me feel say you free market be ka wo we shema
no baby another board chairman but me share that chairman no you see that o bibia obe bisao ade na odi nana dankwa born last week no this week on your no what church home to understand it I don't tell you amiga now what for say chairman say oh me penana edu wakotona aba. Now 1, 2, 3 matches then I do to bench. He can ask you. Say, oh, you should have no mommy could turn by. I don't think they when you interfere, at that time no be church home, sir. At time no got to buy, no catch us a player when Minyano is for just replacement for this guy if you had this, what you say. But you see, me here on you to say, being say, you pay striker, you could pass striker bar. No one say training ground and yet they were expecting one for no tuma. It was costing you. I know myself go far away back. And then this
it's a
and every serious team we need a big technical scouting team. What you say?
Who has na Mobi?
Scouting team.
Aye. Munibi.
Now you catch us say last time say stretches we need it. The high level, we need the strategists. Scouting team, and you've been our friend say, Koskatuba, he is permanent. He have his salary.
And you say, "Be starting league house, Charlie." Nane do. There's open up 5 board Techima Bremia.
That's the who Techima player who has Nane do Nima. If you come to me, catch us a Koskout team. Ko no omukoka. Take all the information. We follow the guy for you. No mudiaba. Sometimes we can get a good player, but he have bad mentality. You understand?
Yes, sir.
If you say, okay, well, you're bad, me try to change the mentality. Sometimes the player is just 40%, but it's the mentality. You say Didier Deschamps, maybe one say one who know.
No, he was playing, yeah.
Only extraordinary player.
Efficient.
But the way Ogata players, Coach Kasayua, no from. See Charlie, Coach Kasayua. No. Didier Deschamps, no, on m'a say Desailly. Bobo, because Didier Deschamps d'Anfouneye, c'est donc the senior brother
of Marseille
Desailly.
Wow.
From Nantes. Said donc on y a accident or taking the boy no as Inunia. Or move on Nantes together. Or come Marseille here center back or that's the leadership of the players. You have the players that Bizwa, or you're good, but or Pulutu, or team normal. That no Bobby no can't excuse me to say that I'm not team no say. That's why now me catch just say me no Tunya as of Fuka that camping professional players man want to now Obianco find that because more obi nim say match e ba we on count this and on so on bo match no bia o shall nana down ko no say nana coach no pa dia the oye no me nti ase na wa pole two man
e your experiences and your money be
adebe
they okay
who said sometimes me kasa me pay parables one day in group of Facebook
Adam
David demon Bonsa.
Bonzam.
Bonsa na yangu according to the Bible and the Quran or starting attacking near Pamon. Hey sir, because baby akwa obi papa near papa. As coach.
So as a coach, how do you deal with those things?
Oh, we am secret. We go camp players no umbe. It's part of life. Ufie unu yiri nu ma muye some problem is there. Inta we no interfere there me be dina mam say we be interfere.
Coach Ouattara, who started coaching when?
We can't football. No person come as it. But waiting when we are starting to write my book, you will see it. Because you have to actually the mission be from there.
Namebo. Me say who started coaching when? Côte d'Ivoire.
Yeah. Because
now bobo na ujai bo na say what bobo da?
One dentist been a oil dentist, no oil dentist da. What be say Morino wa bobo da?
Morino so no da go onya de no jai.
We coach na buy no. Keros no other position be.
No a goalkeeper.
Dinosaur. But Dinosaur no there.
Goalkeeper.
E just look see onya there. Football there obi abobi.
Okay. But levels room.
Yes, levels room. The time they are ball, school ne or a trim. Ye boy as entertainment be. What do I say? Uber Africa Sport, Ben Kofi, no your coach.
Oh, Africa Sport.
Yes, stand there or complaining against me.
Or super school, though.
Or say, because of me, changing date, time of the training. Or see, starting 6 o'clock anyway. Because me go school.
Just one point answer.
Yes, you dos.
Wow.
Yeah, you know, the team be on fire at the school championship on the bow. And that go fire to your papa or person you go school and your skaka, yes, your coat. And that time football salary in
Africa
for me any salary. What do I say? It's after simply the sous buy. That's a new France. Vichy is one of the best football coaches school in France.
Wow.
What did I say? Vichy. That time both because school will approach you bar. You will match weekend no be near the washing Bob. What did I say?
Yeah.
But time me bo Mr. T Sakrabutu na family home. ade fufu mi ba mi abobi kakra once been a mini bread kotoko this Sakrabutu or match buntugu that they know biasi kotoko ba na me say oh this week they me get train Bobi there was go fit be chi e the oye no let me see Charlie we need another level the Ghanaian players baby hobo no abo buntugu Sakrabutu and some me to course what I say enter
Bontuku Sakrabutu.
Yes, Sakrabutu a team.
That's the team in Bontuku.
Yes. My father is the president. It's but on fanche. Now you call be far Ghanaian players be aba.
There are no crossover Ghanaian teams before matches.
You ask Jani.
Sampa Frontiers.
No, some Sampa team. So for the grassy we cousin Obuti Donika. Obuti dey attend to the about. Bushafo.
Neighbors and brothers, yeah.
Yeah, Bushafo any Sampa for any. And yes, Sampa ko do Kaludu Rahman nyama mo free ekuro.
Wow.
Kaludu Rahman is from Bontugu. Tijani Mohammed.
There's a history, there's a boy we Simon Adingra. Could you play no?
And you know only
so free Bontugu.
Only Kosonu ni no free Bontugu.
Kosonu so free Bontugu. Wow.
Kosonu the nini na ye emu ye bunu fo. O se Bontugu ye wo bunu.
And ye wo Côte d'Ivoire for.
Ye nye Côte d'Ivoire for. Nye nyina ye Côte d'Ivoire for. Na ye wo Wangara for.
Okay.
Ye wo Tagbana for. Omo ho. Ti se tintampo yin ni ye fe Fajara no. O ye Tagbana.
On so free Bontugu.
Ah, o ye Tagbana.
Wow.
Enta e doso. Enta we nu. Enta from Sakrabutu ni e call Abidjan ye school, your boss school game any Wednesday bia. Na football at that time the sports teachers ni na fra abrochire.
Wow.
Na football for active be say obia na ye sports from college we could do at level for university no ye man call sports school. Ti say we ni badie no.
Yeah.
Ye frère de no Lienges.
Yes.
Institut National de la Jeunesse et Sport. Et tu sais, au Kohwa, ou beye teacher for sports.
Wow.
Sports nous sous et dos, ou basket, ou bibian, ni nina ho. Ye, you oriented for the football. You di, your senior brothers, tu sais, you Martial, you di Omuchisa. It's not to be unya that percentage, you know, you are going to France or to continue.
To learn.
Yes.
Wow.
We learn it. It's not. We have the first degree, second degree, a third degree. Me say me third degree me in Germany.
Hey.
In Leipzig. What you say?
Coach, me bon say who kita cap license A?
Oh, more than how many years? What are we talking about? Like this? Actually, we were. I mean, we need license. Obey Dena. Akuchi.
But beyond license A, no.
Beyond that, it's a year
professional. Pro.
Biba. And then a year pro. Starting pro no Morocco ye experimental. The pro license. CAF pro license. Morocco ne start here. Na Morocco so omudi bibiashe o say jise o national team. Na say na omufa Morocco kwa na tunubafwe. No CAF no or madini no. It's for the restrained person. But anytime you want to go to do, you can do.
Wow.
To say Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana maybe Ghana after 8 or 2, 3 years, 4 years coming. But now I try my CAF say license because now I tell you Africa now I'm from taking time to learn it. But me nim say o me phone man can be send am out. CAF license A. You can coach the national team. You can coach the first team who are playing Champions League. You understand?
Yeah.
Confederation Cup. Now, our system, it must be license A. Yeah. Et d'accord. C'est unique CAF license A. Klubia no be free abano. For obu pro na aba.
What do you mean for being a coach?
Let me tell you. Say obi fra brocho see me wo UEFA Lasis A. UEFA Lasis A. Who the CAF competition be rejected. This is who the UEFA Pro Naba. You can ask Kate. Kate is the president of the CAF club competition.
Competition,
yeah. Edan UEFA ni CAF na tina so mu hihye. Nja o di UEFA biti obi say mi gita UEFA A ma ba omo pese omo family. The UEFA A, if we came to coach in Africa, we need to bring UEFA Pro. What do you say?
Yeah. So, for instance, Chris Hughton your buy no kita UEFA Pro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
That is UEFA Pro kita, we don't have any problem. But who kita UEFA Pro? Ubet UEFA A, ubet ma coach and Martin.
Otoado su kita UEFA Pro.
Yes.
Okay. But we don't kita CAF.
But omo are Europeans. Me fact say my junior brother Tanko. We are European. Say far at the normal way. We are European, we are Germany. And that when he's coming in Africa, he bringing UEFA Pro. What do I say? Say me call France are using the CAF A. What do I say? Now before winning in Abebano, now first degree, second degree, third degree.
Wow.
That na koye level be na bre amount for because it's university level.
Sure.
What I said to say utia kentem Ike Afrani na my brother Osam Dodu, my seniors Osam Dodu and
Coach
Eduse and Ufa Samadi. Yes.
Cecil Jones.
Yes. Wow. At that time we that degree.
Yeah.
As I say, no coach Gapuan.
Coach, that time, that era, no, that coach is now no more that era, no. And this era, no. I don't know what can say. My band say no. Level no do more times that level no. Jones more time.
No, you can't say that because that time is the standard. It's the government who are preparing the coaches. As I say.
Yeah.
And that share that type of the person who will be at me report, will be at me throw, will be at me church on yama. It say by Bashir A. My good friend. You see what judgment?
Oh, judgment.
There was uncle Somalia now. Whoa, my brother. Whoa. That's I say. That's the kind of the things we are learning. That's why sometimes when we say, you see that people who can't be beat or monfa. What I say? Ike Afrani say, bon, we bet margin gross about see Jones, on say, Simon Olympics, Obahas. We know all, we know together, and we know us together. What I say? And that when no coach level, no.
You can't compare.
No, you can compare everything because it's a technology about.
Right.
First, you need technology.
No video analysis.
No video analysis. What do I say? We don't have psychologists. We don't have physical trainer. We don't have goalkeeper trainer. What do I say?
Yeah.
And that cosmopolitan, at that time, you know, young. He said, Daniel Mo, near Jemu.
Yeah.
But at that time, yeah, that level now you source of school, your content.
Yeah.
Ni assurante mi aba ni started teaching it me back with Liverpool na president actual president no prime minister was Charlie Niger susu baby in sports school mo ko ho
Hey.
it's me ejuma Niger.
Wow.
As I say, yes, started that almost school but ne government took African Kappa government transfer coaches amount to help you to go.
Wow.
I say Ben coach in the level.
Went to Zimbabwe.
Apart from the coach, the managerial.
Yeah.
The Obey Ghana Football Association chairman.
Sure.
Enye easy. To say Ufa the late Samadi is one of the big officer of the police, but he's making a sports at that level. Because a share a dinkomo that time, a dinkomo.
Wow.
Rivalry to Hobart, a dinkomo. I just say a dinkomo.
Ebanzena ube pie wa Asante Kotoko.
A long story. Na me train.
No chemwe.
No, to be fair. Na me junior brother be wakabe.
Okay.
Oni no ejuma e one father.
Okay.
O ejuma GPRC. Omu to kwa omu free tamale eba. Omu no kwa na ntwi no omu nya accident. Na obia wu emi wofa na owu mo rigala baba ko. Obia wu ye no kwa no kai. Now be catch himself. That time you don't have phone or these things. What do I say?
Yeah.
Now you catch himself when you accident and say, no more pee but me call. Me ba na obi wo hola me nim pa dogomoro.
Oh, okay.
Because we are come from the same country, the same town. Buntu.
Dogomoro.
Dogomoro. Mi papa your friend Mori.
Wow.
It's just a Mori ni doswa. Wanga you see Dogomoro, Koro Mori. So that small Mori,
Yeah.
big Mori.
So that she big Moro ni.
No, Do.
Do.
Junior. Junior. And so Oba Ochemi no say o si what say maba. Obetinasi. Nso wa be kochu kuto Sagabutu da. Obetinasi ne di nkomo na no bu dos ye kan omu kan kotoko asem. Na mi ga jam say mu the way mu team dinya kodru. Say mu ni good structure at the koenima. One day ebe ma se mbe bre. What you say? Yeah. Na large bala susu ye no be jina ye di nkomo. No me say I didn't know what apply. Let me see me need that time. What you say? A long story. It can be by. That time President Kufo susu Ojai has a call Sunyani NPP Congress Adubwai si Obejai. Ija oko na team na she Dr. Kankamsa. What you say?
Yeah.
Dr. Kankam, Bantu Mahini, ne lawyer du Jenfi, na Alhaji Balamu. Let me say, me apply this. I want me apply. Me, to be frank, Hanu. Na my junior brother dey, me no buy, no Kodiwa. No say, senior Kotoko. Ukuchu 1 minute poa. Better than journey Gabon ni na wuko. Motivation way na me say okay.
You apply.
Me apply. No my friend me call interview. Me call that be call good. Enter when Zam catch a long story. Let's just talk. Yen kan World Cup ni nyama. We a story be na one day wait na near virtual at all. But the script no ho. The name says script in English. It says what started the profile to write the book, the story.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are all. That say me be true Kotoko no the marvelous players na work Kotoko that time. Marvelous. Who free performance, who Madame for Upele Abuaji, who Franka Mankwa, who Kosia Pia, na Jody Brown, na the friends Bomes. You see that team. Antonio Sekuju, that's the team I have. The team about training my one touch, 30 minutes, small pack. Ubia touch, pa. What do I say?
Yeah.
That's the Kotoko. Now, the captain, the nice man, James Akwasi Apia, is there. But be sure anymore. The motivation to play at that level, no, any hobby, no, can't catch all. Because what African Cup, what ball Senegal, what ball here, what Koha, what ball national team matches,
yeah.
Kotoko, what ball Bibiano, Kotoko, Betima, why? I don't have assistant coach. that time. My friend will say, I will say, one day these teams for you. The time it's in because you are popular. Me, Kotoko Sport is on nimi. But to be time it's here. You bet Timanya fans no be support to the idea because the band me here 11 aside me tie small pool kaka na am for the my coach Benny. What do that time? Era enter na ko say apia no knowledge no passions no passion for the club na support na unya free performance no pele mu no I say that kind of the cooperation with the players at that time we are talking frankly it's not a kasa it's a way no it's big story and trying to invite him frame say be can work up as
Coach, now TP Mazembe, with that, you went there as technical director, and on 2 occasions, only team seen a winning Champions League. How did this happen?
They make a vision. If the president have a vision, she say, Max TV, say, Nura so PC, Max TV, say CNN, and now Al Jazeera. Or the vision do to the way be faso I am munon be chron anamboa
Yeah.
You pay big studio, you pay studio be 4, you pay say no atiase on the vision no to menu no more you work enter we pass me to say latest thinking about forward one I just say it's a who be can o masem say in the public now.
What makes them successful?
It's the vision of the chairman.
And almost casting
In this case, if you say from Florentino Perez in Spain, no one was catching Obia. You don't go to Moscow. You don't know football. Or vision for his business. And I did that.
Yeah.
And that will be better money and small money. But the way of it will I must say, to be ground, it depends. And Munye will be, if you are talking about Ghana soccer, I'm for the Michel no more that kind of division. I bet Mensa.
Kotoko.
That division, we have it at that time. Strike card, Kotoko Express, and we are going to for the TV stations. No, or that vision. No, the vision say, Yenfa Kotoko do that level no, to take Champions League. That time, World Cup club, and what to say, Sasawabi. I say Haspunya or Montemanco, and then solid.
Sure.
I just say sometimes I open sponsors to come and sponsor the World Cup club side. As and Kobo because Blatter and that sponsorship to that competition. She said acquire attractive. And that I'm not beyond with that vision. What do I say? Because Mina Bettina say Kotamari. Now because say the place no bebre. So okay, you hear the BC chatter play or chatter. That's the vision. You call what over 16. Anywhere team Kubo. Now me say okay. You go share play military play or go share nina. But ya odiye call won fire mba. This say yemfa the bus in call now you see that a bus idea go and take STC bus. Yeah 20 pay for STC back chatter near titim you take away to yako. That's the vision. Who person on drew ni pa ko boawa bedru. Now we have to be. You see?
You believe in Togbe's vision, eh?
I believe in Togbe's vision. To be serious. The vision, maybe he didn't have the people who can carry that vision to materialize on the pitch. And me part, I was talking about the pitch. It's not fit for player. I talk about the people who are carrying. Togbe to me be accountant. I don't say that. But say me or say who you see you. are working the civil job. As coach, I don't have anything to do about accountability. Me accountant me go do. But say accountant sorry say your recruitment. I'm not security man put me yes recruitment. I say that time no. Problem. The structure is down. Many women and I do better imagine come about the players because we too quiet. We follow say Mati way say Mammy's match is been on who about what me bami. But the security man, where then I can say play way good. It just that such as no. Sometimes we have a big problem. What I say?
Yeah.
That's the way in Europe. Almost a team or director of football, sporting director, or as the technical level, technical, what do you call, technical director. And at the high level, sometimes it's difficult to get somebody who are ready to do that. What do I say?
Yeah.
But because that level, no, and yet for the one team, it's for the club. So the people making confusion between club and team. The team is the first team that Omubo Premier League.
Yeah.
You have his own head coach. Under 20 have his head coach. Everybody have his head coach and the assistant coach and the structure is there. But any technical problem, you are bringing to the technical director.
Wow.
You understand? You discuss with him. He can give you the orientation coming from the board.
Right.
What did you mean?
That's it, pa. Who say no? One I'll catch it to say on your technical advisor to the board and answer on one say Ouattara.
That question who see to be able to me beside.
Oh. And I say what ya?
Togbe no any vision. Who share no? Who beside the band send na we yes or we catch you.
That's my boss, my general manager.
What did you make? And tell me
say, when I catch it to be so per Jumano, and on one say, Ouattara,
Jumabe, Jumabe too.
Technical advisor to the board. One also pay. One.
Oh, no, I wish I look at you say, I dance no up to Ouattara.
Na me ko way.
Oh, go home. You share if I share. You share so many times.
There is no the minimum baby I miss out. But to minimum baby I miss out.
O se muna Martina Sampada no more junior sometime. It's a book to or you didn't talk. And now to be serious, a friend I mean didn't come on. I'll catch him say that's the things he want. I say okay. Obi ma ojuma. Or say, baby, I'm you at home. If he say, Boami, a hand over Boami, you must follow. And then it is.
Did you enjoy that role?
We a personal question, private things in my heart.
That you man now, you're the man now, pet.
One catch you. Who share my kumama?
Oh, now, pet.
No, don't say that.
But now I'm saying now, pet, but now, pet, so contract you want to walk.
I want to, we are my lawyer and advisor.
That is.
Yeah,
does it talk about who say Oma Okwa who they are who sue House of Folk for termination?
For what? Me team Kuntokwa. Never. I'll stop that. Time na yen nkwara na etimi yes anya man. Because we are see
but say adwuma de na nya o de kra. Me say nya o de o ji say adwuma no kra no. Now coach no, now only coach mu nya meeting mu ndi nkomo. Didi drama ni.
The technical advisor for the board. You see, for the board, Yanka's a technical advisor for the technical team.
And true. True. So, what is the difference?
The difference is you are with the board. You are not there. I don't know. I don't tell you. The English name here. Let us talk in French.
Because je n'ai pas français.
Tu parles pas français, c'est quoi?
Non, ni na dia ousa. and Spanish. You speak Spanish?
Hausa for free Ghana. Ghana is Hausa. How grown kasa? Hausa is a commercial language. No, to be serious or frame me. Okay, that's it. Why? I say okay, no problem. Why you? For what? I didn't say.
Because you came in as a coach, then all of a sudden you become an advisor to a board.
Yes, say who study before reply. Sometimes you can make some mistakes. Napoleon pour la partie ou bien aussi on bibia on aime jouer. Hein?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah.
Just say obi nama ojuma. C'est où est présenta here où host c'est boss frère c'est OK me penser c'est on tina relation ou bien fan peut pas embré na on jouer donc programme non be no. Ou be ka se on peut.
Coach Majipa mais
no problem.
Nampacho.
And the umami buy po unka.
Oh, so
you see World Cup team. Now who do me na me fitre bi na ni.
World Cup ni there.
Who dey call Mokola market.
World Cup they say you came on World Cup and interview a personality profile of Coach Ouattara.
I go catch am come the amount. I can do brew no ahwe. Ma who dey we tell me so me wo meeting doors ni nyina.
Okay, about 11 minutes past 10 o'clock. You better quick break. 11 past 11. You better quick break. Your bar. Then we'll be wrapping up the interview. But there's a message. I don't know what the message is about. This one says, "Is Coach Ouattara a Ghanaian? He speaks the tree very well. Or see a friend of a crow or the free Paraku estate and a buy and bajo
or Paraku.
Aye.
I know Paraku.
Also we are Ghanaian ana.
Or product on your questions no.
Okay.
No, the second one. Yeah, bao.
Okay. Now this one also says, okay, I saw one here. Obisi Mimiza say, okay, also saying, please, Monsieur Dako, I have a question for Coach Ouattara. I say, bonjour, Coach Ouattara.
Bonjour.
Listening to your profile, I haven't heard you coaching any national teams in Africa. Why? Because winning Champions League with the DRC and the Moroccan clubs is like winning the AFCON for their country. So if any country contacts you for your service, will you accept to coach a national team? Or see a friend Jean-Lucien Lula on the message you about? Or Palestine, Accra, yeah.
Okay. You find short to me. Media no, me pese on tia say Jose Mourinho.
Yeah.
He be assistant coach for Porto,
Yeah.
with Robinson.
Yeah.
Or the Robinson do call
Barcelona.
One coach national team be.
Wow. Up to now.
Up to now. Ye fa Guardiola. Neye obia example. One coaching national team be. What do you say?
Yeah.
It's that coaching the national team is opportunity. What do you say? It's opportunity. That opportunity, no. A bar, we take it. Once a Claude Leroy, or your opportunity to coach Ghana.
Yeah.
Or ban Odia Kwarabi by a friend Rene, the shows of Hervé Renard. At that time, so na Kalusha Bwalia, or a Zambia Football Association chairman.
Yeah.
Or opportunity or pay. Coach, no fact, no man. Or call AFCON man. I don't want to do Amiga. That's the opportunities who can come. Huh? But catch and bro say opportunity now. About no problem.
Okay.
Time na no ninja that opportunity that are coming. But now difficult say ninja the me no. Ako the opportunity ba ni mo Gabon. But no person be college group of the coaches
okay.
to take the national
to
team.
work together.
To work together. That mean coach Petro of Paul Gentil. Na me share me salary no. Na me say who call the national team my allowance. Na me got them so mun trauma me club. So mun pini so I'm ready to come back. That the boy no can hear Asante asem no. Tana me back with Coach Kotoko no. Asante ni mintipo.
Na ba tell na ubeti twisi.
Me ba. Only amount 4 year juma. Omu krom. So opese omu ti wase a, osu omu kasa.
Okay.
Claude Leroy no a French ni. Oba Austrian English. And I want to be.
Matthias Epa.
The modern time, all the modern coaches know we have 2 or 3 language we are speaking. Me call Ninja. Na a problem mami. Who can French? Zende because Ninja from Yami me call Zende. Government me because Zende.
So the French is different. Who French there?
Yes, now Bebrepo uno no can difficult. This is one year interpreter. Now me say okay, ma learn Hausa mi.
So that Niger can Korea Hausa.
Na jin kadan.
Ko?
Ayani. The neti Niger China.
Kajika master.
Na neti Benizba master. Understanding.
Live with the people.
Live with the people. That is what I think. Ukochi has Ukochi Kotoko. You don't know the traditional, the living of the people. Difficult say ubeti omasi. Also very difficult say ubeti wasi.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Obisi me kan say Kokai Bible Colossians chapter 1 verse 14 to 17. God created Jesus Christ as firstborn and not Satan. So I should tell you.
Okay, catch them say or read the Bible me the way me read the Bible no ntia say ni media no enye the same because who read the Bible now read the be am beka che say you call heaven na you be my new wives but wives na mo ha no who go do am do am here enja that Bible Quran asem tunche aja say because say ufa Bible ko Jesus Christ enye obi na owu no mami opese enko details e be ko na obi be ka say ye carry religion asem enja mpancho one guy is anyamano
Acho ye ko break ye ba ye ni Coach Ouattara e be wrap it up what you say Coach Aboubakar Ouattara twice Champions League winner as technical director for Wydad Casablanca and then Tupuza Mazembe the special guest there's a okay say Ivory Coast game Ivory Coast na neighbor in the game World Cup game no. Coach Ouattara is a special guest on Max TV for that game so I wanted to find out we me lay na ambush prekwanya sa station for Babachi no.
Hey Jerry, this your phone. Who you for pay for cramp pill? What is this?
Babe, relax. Today is the day I turn water into wine. We're in the promised land. Max Buy is here to save us, okay?
You're welcome to Max Buy, Ghana's #1 electronic retail store. How may I help you?
You know, my queen deserves the best. Show me your top gadget here. Now you need it.
At Max Buy, we've got it all. Mobile phones, smart TVs, air conditioners, kettles, microwaves, blenders, and more.
Babe, imagine our anniversary selfies with this Techno Camon 30S. Everybody would think that we are Ghana's Jay-Z and Beyonce. Power couple, papa.
Call us on 054-401-9552.
With over 40 shops nationwide, flexible payment plan, online shopping, and home delivery.
We just getting started. This is the Max Drive.
Listen to the best.
All the 411s of our telenovelas. This to know.
And come be say and I'll bet
Mama, I miss interpreting and I say, Mama, no, the Pessibire, and Cassandra, the Pessibire, the daddy.
I'm managing you. I'm managing you, Mamma. I'm managing you.
My Asia, Edward Kosi Nifiada, no me and Sampa mu El Max Drive Jumedi so.
Maximum heat.
You do me like
Welcome to Max Buy. Hey Jerry, this your phone. Who you for pay for cramp pill? What is this?
Babe, relax. Today is the day I turn water into wine. We're in the promised land. Max Bar is here to save us, okay?
You're welcome to Max Buy, Ghana's #1 electronic retail store. How may I help?
You know, my queen deserves the best. Show me your top gadget here. Now you need the
At Max Buy, we've got it all. Mobile phones, smart TVs, air conditioners, kettles, microwaves, blenders, and more.
Babe, imagine our anniversary selfies with this Techno Camon 30S. Everybody would think that we are Ghana's Jay-Z and Beyonce. Power couple, papa.
Call us on 054-401-9552.
With over 40 shops nationwide, flexible payment plan, online shopping, and home delivery.
89.7 Weura Max FM wa jidu okita say 89.7 Weura Max FM wa jidu okita say
Okay. Charlie, now there been a press conference be now. Now me disturbing Coach Ouattara. Me disturbing Averia. Otozo who the account. Asisa who for baby answer obaha. Me say wah, he papa we.
Days no, they are no. One-on-one, they are one-on-one. I see Bobby. The boy is open in Bobby.
But Coach Ouattara, Ghana football ya feel power. Yes, because who did be real football in terms of your post-match interviews, anything where now you on your man. A very possible say be Ghana football will be as a coach.
Maybe possible in the reality. Once in your contract. So contract we join maybe or it's our football there. You can't say never you are not going that place. Time na mini fra which by say who can't say me call Niger poa. Was share your waso. But the man who told me go there is now the head of state of Cote d'Ivoire. That time is the prime minister.
Wow.
What I say was see Niger government actually requested some technicians in the worker.
Wow.
Until me kase unko eta football the Ghana football you ma coach Kinfesa. What say?
Who got chicken face a year ben?
98, 99. Asante Kotoko.
Inti na mutu sa time na players ben na coach you. Yahuza.
Omudos. Ben Wilson. Gambo mnina.
Wow.
No mnina what I say.
Gau.
Gau, Prince Luis.
Prince Entry.
You see, Kinfesa team.
Suraj na ne goalkeeper that time.
Anuma Jerry. Wow. But I would say, me come plan so go me back in face. But Docena, Domenico Ricci, and Trap near France.
Send madam for near Alaji.
Yes, I'm partners.
I'm not Torino.
The partners.
Wow.
Alaji is owner of the team. Vision by now large susu or vision so no more partners. It's an enemy of France Poland. That time we don't have mobile. If you say large away vice or the number man rich frame.
Wow.
Now me say yes me because that time Domenico Ricci no owner of African Football Management. No coaches be inside. Now, if you say I still appear, no more that agency. Huh?
Yeah, that's true.
What I say?
Italy.
No, Oba France for inviting me. You got now say me say Didi. Huh? No, we catch him say this is the vision. We say vision with Kinfesa. You don't need league, but you need to prepare the youth players to. But that team, now marvelous. Because and yet the name of the players, the determination, and the quality that these people have to accept my plan. What do I say? Let me start training 6 o'clock, 7:30 happen.
Wow.
No, you know your samba because a foundation. Kifesa is there. Kifesa have a name. Yediba. What do I say?
Yeah.
Yediba. Now me my back to Kotoko. I live Kotoko your judo time ni mako. Me ba ni ye that work no. I bet means I take over for Heart Kotoko. What do I say? Ye train Pajo. The 2 team 2 million ye ba ye call na Kotoko aba. What do I say? Now the last game of the first round league no. Ye ni Olympics boa. Kotoko ni has book masi.
Wow.
Ye ni Olympics you ha. You are more. Now ask Oshe Kotoko Kumasi 1 LB. Then against the Usman or friends normal group no. Then after that, the following week, Friday, June 4th, 99, has Kotoko the last June 4th for Excellence late Jerry Rollis. Kotoko no more match in Accra. No money coaches bio. Entire friend said me bebo pa ama Kotoko. I take Kotoko. The share has a blow the pony share going one in the cap.
That's the president's cap.
June 4th.
June 4th, yeah.
They come out June 4th. When I didn't come on, I say okay. I like to me transfer coach Ouattara from Kifesa to Kotoko. That's the story. And one day retro. After Kifesa there, I do it.
Wow. Wow.
Na football. And I don't mean case on koha. C'est pas nécessaire. Before I na be United, you come for. Na the kuma say there e bundu for there o.
Ai.
Bundu Tijani ne friends omo nyina no we bundu for be credit mo.
Yakub Moru.
Yakub Moru man ko share Sakrabutu o ma be credit another team. Wow, that's the story.
Wow.
Obia na your border. Ukrom your border. Or 60% or 40% or you like it or not.
So we are Ivorian Ghanaian.
Uko France, Strasbourg, Saarbrücken. And the post
Austria, Saarbrücken, Strasbourg, Eben.
Saarbrücken, Strasbourg. The same.
To say Bontukuni Sampa.
Bontukuni Sampa Bowa.
Wow.
Because Saarbrücken is a pitch, you know. I say Arsene Wenger.
Yeah.
Tinedino.
Arsene Wenger.
Wenger no in France. German for din because of Strasbourg me lose ni no na Thionville omo ni German for the minister the regional minister of Saarbrücken at that time ni din Oscar Lafontaine. Well, a French ndini but the border no a advantage ma aprofo ye dey problem. When Mr. Sampa, you worry ho. You need Sampa for your worry. I could pay 20. You worry. Wapu you worry ho.
Wow.
Uko namasa. You come for baby. Uko dunkwa. Uko swami. You do for those ho. What did I say?
Yeah.
But we know each other. We be back. Niyako. You want for Fulani for. Say me na me 50-50 for ngara eta when say catch me down for no para ku me say ma fa hotam na me woni je mo ma ba pa ku so many times akokutu no ma driving but language there entry nationality.
Wow.
Obi ti Japan oka English Chinese for omutu nyum chin twi Bimbo in French.
Yeah.
When so to make aware, it's just a way away.
That's true.
The same starting to Ganui.
Hey.
Back a crack. Nana do me professor.
I don't think Obi say, good morning, Nana. I must commend the coach. He has wisdom and is knowledgeable. Obi bo abaso say, unim die usan ewo nyansa na obo abaso.
Kajen said that Nyamia said that no so asi.
Coach, Black Stars team no monitor who follow Ghana Black Stars.
Normal. When your question be over bisa. You're in the system. Normal say you follow Ghana Black Stars.
And the Carlos Quiroz obeti me abo Ghana World Cup.
And count me man come on fan ba. Obi no ko fan ba mo ni so obeboa.
Me bisa wo.
Na me team judge now before the game. I don't tell you. But I know the pedigree for the guy. Meaning the way or methodology. That methodology is no eboa coaches. I don't tell you.
Yeah.
That he have it. He know he from offering on him the passion and the weight of the Ghana people for the blaster.
Yeah.
I would say blaster say you qualify for the World Cup. Also Côte d'Ivoire, blaster, Algeria, Egypt, Morocco, I'm qualify for the World Cup. Nigeria,
yeah.
That is going to play the game to bring something. I don't think they make it. That's the way. That is only say France call 7 final, no call final 1-4. A problem more. Ghana, we need to go forward. We have the capacity, we have the people to do it. Naming him say the talent of the players who Martin Obisi Kudus Niho we Niho. We are not basing our system of play on the players. Who your system, not the players come to enter inside. Oh, the big mistake in Real Madrid here. One person Fairborn is Cristiano Ronaldo bi ana Benzema. No mo opening yako to Mapisu. Now PSG, bring the system of play. Now players come and enter inside to play that system. Oh, when there is a problem,
yeah.
Now me say Carlos because Otado now oye nibonibo, but to understand the things he want to do, no difficult ma obim. We know any problem be coach be that day na we sign a contract on him say the same day to no draw. Yes.
So Ghana is in the same group with Croatia, England, and then Panama. Ghana better may qualify from the group.
Why not? Say Obisamia, if he said that thing, 3 teams, no musro Ghana reaction. But the way on bury at it. What do I say? But Ghana nim omu the way on bebo. That is the problem. But the system, the Ghana be born. Remember say, with or without Semenyo, you can go forward. And I don't think they make it. But if you allow on one player, that's the problem. Now if he said the last games na me if he said you bet mania hope say you be bibi. But say if you are not playing as team, we are playing because me a friend Asari, we a friend another a friend we person yembo for we are own the other a cost problem.
Asari, your goalkeeper bia the success for national team one team can one sem without Coach Ouattara. They say the Abani say I know one Ghana number 1 World Cup. Who should know best start time Ghana?
He's the number 1.
Amba.
Coach Bia was steady football. He's the number 1.
Who your Carlos Audi Ubemanachi?
My catch say number 1. You know, let me tell you something. At that level, you draw, you don't have any doubt. Who started doubt? Who sell team? Who say France goalkeeper? Now no Côte d'Ivoire. Why should all goes na edition? But it's the number 1.
Yeah.
What did I say? Uyi goalkeeper no be bad the shenwa. Ube change you be. Just at that time one gasa utinu unye stable.
That's true.
And what did they make?
That's it.
The only things that me Hami Kakra that last match blaster boy. I didn't use 2 goalkeepers. Teams be no more prepare more team, but is the position who is the very sensible. It's give the goalkeeper to play that 90 minutes to get all the reflex.
Maybe they are not sure about who should be number 1.
No. If you are a coach, you are not sure to get your number 1. That level, resign.
You what?
To me, huh? But what they do, I cast some weeks who could World Cup, only one number 1 there, any position there. Just what's the team?
So, a new coach, I've been about.
Hey, time no Fajmanu. I want a new coach. Team no going to be fired. Donc, yeah, we be destabilize team no. Be how wide you. What do you say? That I must say, that to be best, be back players that position goalkeepers no. What did they make?
Yeah.
You need stability at that level. No? You need the stability. If you say, Peter Shilton or that England, no any mistakes. But it's the number 1. And how did they make? I'm not saying because for Asari. So I got choose another goalkeeper.
Well, could be something.
The
Musa say. Not just say the one that did Dramani rotate Asari Agbesina wrong. No, I'm saying to me Musa.
What beside?
Is there no one is saying?
The coach Didi Rahman didn't make that routine because he want to do it. When Asari moved for the national team, he needs somebody who have the level to replace him.
Sometimes Asari Bakura still Agbesida.
That time no bisa goalkeepers me can't say that job. Me coach Asari. Of a blaster by man feeding. I didn't know mama no abo. No or injury. Want me shempa boapo. But the people don't know. Wow. What do I say? But before, that's why I'm telling you to inform the board chairman. You know, call board chairman. We see board chairman only night. I say, no. Want me be proud because of one match. Want me man about me losing for a long time. Didi Rahman, he have his policy. He's a coach who have experience of that things. And how did they make it? Or the policy. Aboubakar Ouattara. That way, and them near back. I have my policy. That's what I say. And yes, I say aside the national team. Say match Wednesday or match Tuesday. So on ne Prade, doing better to
Wow.
Period. Problem behind you. But football coaches be our mentality. Sometimes that about everyone who be a beka more advisor. Sometimes it can disturb you. What you say?
Yeah.
If you say kudus or her, a little bit bench.
Debbie. This is
That's the way. In China, you start telling you, who catch your goalkeeper, this is the number 1, this is number 2, you are third one. You should say, we are third, we be 1. Eh?
Yeah.
What do I say? My own goalkeeper be your friend Bernard Lama.
Bernard Lama, French keeper.
French keeper.
Yeah.
No, number 1. He did Fabien Barthez by national team or Bas third goalkeeper. What do I say?
Yeah. But Barthez the chief World Cup.
That's the because of prior, not Barthez, but 2 matches be. He take the position.
No.
Finish. And that way, Agbesi bet me before. Finish. See if Agbesi give me certification. Damn. Sorry. Why I want to change again? Make sure I can just say my father we are number 1. But players be who catch and say number 1, prepare for him to be the number 1. In Ghana, we don't need 40 players in the professional team just because of the CAF assignment. I can go 30, but me,
You don't like it?
No. Siasibe and pra. You can change it.
No.
It will prepare obi no fast be. That no pra no they are sure. Can you do ba? Me ho. Me training. Now officer maybe been parents but me say that time when you drew baby and me person won't do. What I say? Time no do no you be catch me. I put Amofa outside the pitch, started playing. The football is but the honest thing she say only play am. Muntinas mudin ko man ntiase. But players be ho omo anya that opportunity to do that. It can be chire no. That's why we need a video analyst sometime and scouting team to discuss and a psychologist to talk for the players. That's the professionalism. When you say when you are winning, you know, so ubenya success. What you say?
Yeah.
You say ukoma la hoa, osi ukoa, okache use dana bo na unya bo na bo shot goalkeeper home. But then I hear throw training. I say bo shot. It just man I can't just say bo shot. It say shot is important.
Wow.
40 minutes past 11. Coach, the last time you bought World Cup, you African country occur all the way to the semi-finals in Morocco. Now, the Senegal, DRC, Morocco, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire all going to the World Cup. Chances need to say for the African teams.
No, once a young start here, 50-50.
Okay, you said it already. Yeah.
Because time na Morocco call World Cup no. Na Morocco ankasa. Omo nim so bedru. Ana onti dem make because it's after Cameroon AFCON 2022 Cameroon AFCON. Yeah, you AFCON na Morocco call World Cup. Ana onti dem make.
Yeah.
Na AFCON anyi.
Omo nya de.
Yeah, you omo quarter final. Omo coffee. Until Omu, that's the I will come back with the vision. The Minister of Budget, who is the Morocco Football Association chairman, Excellence Lagja Fouzi, is the owner of Berkane. He understands football. What did I say?
Yeah.
After the AFCON, he tries to say your players know you're doing bar because he saw something who is not happy maybe. Or say, you go camper. You my players do that one by one. What did I say? Or started now or including another things on the head of the people. When you didn't come and say, maybe you call work up family, you are going to do something. Do something, no. Also as chairman, who here baby. Nikai say a chair. Now that time Ghana only 1 million. Can I say me to car 2 million? And I see this that time. Yeni Jamaica bo Kotoko Jamaica. You bo friendly match commercial. I bet be
I bet mess that time no me boy.
Kotoko the
reggae boys. It's true.
Reggae boys are Michelle Blaster.
Yeah.
Omo back commercial. The boy 1-1. Amando Shego bia.
Ala Diego.
Now after match, I bet you know see the young chorus me see they give the boys 1 million. Well, you know, that's the vision. I don't think they nigga.
Yeah.
Upe bibi now you can get there. That's the.
Now a panafest.
Yes, a panafest. I always say now the whole you have 55 TV channels who are cover the match.
President Upoko was your captain that day.
That day. Yes, second go aside, second go but Togolese left now.
You have George Sian in the
George
team.
Sian, yes.
Clovis Kambu.
Yes.
Robert Boateng.
Yes, Robert. One of the players now.
Wow.
That time now who maintain
Samson Mante, the goalkeeper.
The goalkeeper maintain
the Michael Abu was.
Michael Abu all this team. You can't say I call him
yeah, I call him no me on any brother back.
No, center back.
No what they
say
Jonas.
Now offer player like Prince Amwako.
Yeah, Prince.
Prince Amwako come Kotoko because of your usage.
You know, they are friends. They are best friends.
Our best friend.
Yeah, they are in America together now.
Kotoko far your usage. I'll come in as coach. Now Kotoko compare say far Prince. New boy agent 2 million.
Yeah.
Now your usage. That's the relationship. Me didn't come see coach. I go boy where Madame Fupa ye bibia.
Manumbra
Kotoko. That time 2 million. Next cow. I give that guarantee. I will take the boy to Kotoko. You call Abidjan tournament. Ha. Na me who Prince Missy Charlie. Okay, we are about to make kunipa. What did I say? Yeah. That's the football. She said, Hussein, Ramsey, Sani, Collinson, Tam Oba. What did I say? We have the kind of this place who have the talent, and we can develop. That time social media, say, player no talent to start developer, no social media, no social media or SC hours, no highways. Oh, no a problem. Now, Prince Amonko, no near left here. I mean, I'm doing tour because now I have an NS button at that side. Let me see Koboa. He has. He sure has 3-1. He created all the goals.
Yeah.
From that angle. Now, Aboubakar Kankani, no, that they know problem in the pool. That's the time when we are talking with the boss, he listens to you.
Wow.
The family affairs in your own in common. Me, I don't have complex if the boy say, coach, this is my girlfriend. Present him, we can talk
There's
to
this
him.
issue I need to talk to you about. Unyo Obia Opese players etina bomu fie bakum.
No. Professional players. No, forget about this.
Now I know what to catch it to be.
Why not?
But say better since we be jump no matter baby basa o.
The problem is who outside. No, who cancer. Me, I'm inside. Let me catch. Kongosan is starting now. Because look, omo paying for. Who do omo akoto ho? If I'm say Monday, na asubesi girl aba ho. Onu no din komo. No ada hopo. The following the Uber trainer, Ubenya Obi. Sorry, the guest neighbor. I don't think America. They can't send that show. One day, name a dapwa. No be friend. Coach Wada. Who plays no money pobima. Now your fasting time. We say Amza no say. Money pobima at 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
I'm here fasting.
Omo ye fasting. That time we compare Joanna Abedi. Omo catch na me friend driver say Brian ko. Me go to so bia on die. Omo ko to Joanna na Abedi. But now ti dey make am. When omo ye big who Bajuma Max TV na go for buy.
Dabi.
I know omo ye professional omo say I want say team like we that 1 week no more sign contract with the company Fiat.
Yeah.
Motors Fiat. Ombema players in car. Ombema technical teams in a car. Me no Morocco no. Karubi oti Rabat 80 kilometers for Casablanca. Or 2 car no about training. Maybe to Buzinika. 40 kilometers to Casablanca, 40 kilometers for Rabat. Nta no pa no wato ako. Ati ase. Bim so wa so mpeka. Ti say ni aje bae no, enya man ka. But baby order no ni training guy wa.
Okay.
Yaman fu na bibia wo. Utade kwa na odi ba. Ati ase.
Yeah.
To get some place to. Ne ye prepare ni car. Baby man. It's how we do omo to ho. Conconsano started on one term. player bi ho me bondini o si ni niama o ja to ho na from ba no fa ni jese call two baby about si coach obi aye my dream serious o me say o si ma si mi niama to jese no aye you see saka oni fear wemba what you say baby nji ni say a drawback to affect obi o ji say a poison direct
right
but say about 3 man
be adwuma
who started thinking wow you lost
all right
community unu family po one father one mother say mu ye 5 muti pie baako a mi donyani muti mi ye 1 week mo ankunto kwa say we ran the country say we you nation say we are say now say problem about as the professional players omo je omo salary we can add something for them tinting and they rent a house you see train or her kunedu no order no offer fee but trainer is there tell you kwan Aziz Nodin kwan bia na obefa so aba train if I we are paying you one bar bet you from salary we are I don't think they make it
kapoma the enfema junior team no
junior team and the youth teams need prepare mo because omo you are where my from in the classroom near trauma the style of the living the world
wow
what you say
okay
the professionalism sanity.
Hey, Coach, I want to open the phone line so that the people will come in. I'm with the man, Aboubakar Ouattara, Champions League winner with TP Mazembe, and then with that Casablanca. The immediate past technical advisor to the House of Folk board.
We know they are train my train.
055-159-8321. You can join us now. Hello. Bajo.
We are Razak Adona from Abuja.
It's you, Razak.
We do have a PMO, Nana Jansen, or then Tampatemo.
K.
Oh, Nana. Mania Dio. You know, say, mine out to no. Hey. No Kuti has now, and some amount for Kafan on your dinner, and the pan of my teen interview. My toe say, hey, you pass you one or which you are, Massa. Abusiano beko straight forward. And you are Mesrea and that to be media may come in qua house and a common time for man of you, no coaching. If it's a man already will sit straight boys and advice our day. Nana Manyadi, Nana, would you have Yajuma? Coach, Yamisra, why?
Razak, thank you very much. Hello. Good morning. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Nana. Mo manage my power. Me tia coach. Nana.
You.
Only me say. Dobe to me aye jumano. Yenje jumamano. Dobe say jumano. Anu na bi juma emano. I ti said your own your engineer. Ni akofani so be engineer. We say any via after no more paid your engineer no pay. Now, Mr. Coach, what is some more can he now? Not to say, a woman, what I say, oh no, but me have to your mind. I am afraid to money, Mano, no yet money, now as a friend to my back. That's by Nana, my main face will never form. I mention,
oh, wow. Before my yeah, that's the papa. This is the Sports Park, Max TV, sports, entertainment, and more. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Patrick, so free.
And I was at the new Mikasafi Ghana flag, or Yarifa.
What other Yamin Shaw, you tell us him?
Amen, on Shawn so. And I, Miss Ouattara. Mong pana menin ko half subim man wo woni die o powerful coach obenya team papa 100 want to ne boss mong ko half bim so an hwe ni no sa ko half bim a tena ne tiri ho ai heart to say me di wan hwe ne ya na da ne bru mong ko half bim ɔntwa ne baabi na ɔnyɛ no ne da ase.
Wow. Hey. Simon. Hello.
Hello.
Patch on my radio and our TV volume in conform.
Yo, Nana Mate, yeah, finish.
Rafi, another young cool.
But the other one, Nana myself. Why? And I'm a child of play. The child no power for me now. And I'm betting I'll be that. The coach, Mamma said, and the house of the coach, Yana.
Martin, maybe son.
Tell me, why? Let me say, I'm not me by it. Anana, that's it. Why?
Yami shall be Rafi, Yami shall be brave. Coach, ask the ambassador to coach your Mabeko. Yes or no?
Madam, for Bibia depend of the two and him.
Okay.
And yes, Kasim, the be two and him. Senior pay, say
okay.
Because Obinu ho omunimi principle. Betimaka say me bano we ni we yo mufri meeting nche.
Utimi yesa ania.
Betimaka. The one to man change your more. Na sometimes betimaka di na ma ye nyina.
Right.
Let us go forward and thinking.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Apa kasi kaswa.
Yada sympathy eti wasem.
Ana pato oye role model pa bibia mi tiu Mass TV. Ya mi feel ne do pa oye. Ya mi feel pa pato kache coach dey say ombe coach ya asmai. Me afena pa na Black Star.
On some coach yes.
Pacha. Me supported has in the year way back when I started supporting has. You said omla oba gabe besa ya mai that's it.
Wow. Hey Simo. Good morning. Now we missed that caller. Oh, someone says now I want you to ask Coach Ouattara his highest aim in life. He's my mentor. Hey, who was on Coach Ouattara the highest aim we are see? Hello.
Yeah, good morning. Mekasafi is in the Kwatuma Ukugwa.
Ufe Ukugwa mpacho yetie wasem.
Yeah, Femi Asare. Madam Kaka person can say, Papa will name your Kotoko ni bata Papa will have no me feeling no pa. But and then I met you no mean some kakrani and many adi. Let me minya pa Papa will and can fan Kotoko. Because
Wakochi Kotoko 2 times so. Wakochi Kotoko dao.
I no can surprise me no. A surprise me pa Papa we senya ni mentality ni kutano no yenya no Kotoko. I think I can be boy. Kwa Ouattara enye easy so be say ni sao. Me share the 5 matches we have. Enye easy. Eti me man mo na adwuma pa oye me bon pa say Radi Inshallah no onto no kwan mu na o man kwantintin na dachi o be kuchi Black Star mai.
Ami yada Radi Inshallah be brave. Good morning.
Hey, Nana Dakwa.
Boite.
Nana Dakwa.
Ade unia kuntokwa na.
Nana Dakwa betime de bia mu line ni sisa de tell na agent sisa ngofo da outdoor so. It's a easy. It's so 5,000 we sana yeto no. Eni de bia e beti enkwan ni sa. It ha concern. That's hey. Coach Ouattara. Inde de wa kan se me nya tomo kwa na omu tu chanto gun so. Inde no say all the right person to coach. And can see